Yeah, Mr. Hoon. Just call me Mr. Hoon.
Hoon.
Yeah, Hoon. Yeah, that's my last name. Hoon. That's my Korean name. My first name is Sultan.
목적지에 도착했습니다.
Kasya rin ako ba dito sa gitna? Pwede daw Ano ulit?
앞에서 우측 차로로 진행하세요. 앞에서 우회전입니다. 그리고 우회전입니다.
We're going here? Only here?
Yes.
Yeah, very near, close.
Yes. Korean.
Hmm?
Korean.
Yeah, 한국 사람이야. Korean이야, Korean. 야, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
야, 반갑습니다. You speak Korean? No.
But I can read.
Oh, you know how to read it?
Yes.
Why?
But I don't understand.
You watching K-drama?
Yeah, K-pop.
K-pop.
17.
You learning Korean? 한국말이에요? You study?
아주 나이.
Yes.
오.
diba?
Wow. Really good. Yeah. Filipino very love to watch K-drama and also K-pop, right?
Yes.
학생이에요? 학생?
Yes, student daw ba tayo?
Oh, you should. You understand? Yeah, 학생이에요? Right? 학생?
Yes.
College. Where you study? Where?
Different school.
Different school. You, where is school?
FEU.
FEU? Yeah?
NU.
NU?
LP.
Yes, NU.
NU. Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah, 만나서 반갑습니다. 반갑습니다.
반갑습니다.
Yeah, you know 반갑습니다?
Yes.
What is 반갑?
Nice to meet you.
Oh, yeah. Nice to meet you, yeah. 야, 그런데 에라메요?
Des.
에라메요, what's your name?
Des.
음?
Des.
Des.
Angela.
안젤라.
I'm Krisha.
음?
Krisha.
Krisha. And Jasmine.
Janelle.
Yeah, 반갑습니다. Yeah, Mr. Hoon. Just call me Mr. Hoon.
Hoon.
Yeah, Hoon. Yeah, that's my last name. Hoon. That's my Korean name. My first name is Sultan. Yeah, that's my name. Yeah. In Korea, Hun Sutang.
Ah.
But here, yeah, Sutang.
Mm.
Hun, yeah. Last name Hun. I'm looking here, around here, establishment for my business.
Everywhere.
Hmm?
Everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere. Yeah, I'm looking here. I'm looking for my business. I want to build a business here.
What kind of business?
Pogo,
회전입니다.
Pogo.
What is
회전입니다.
Pogo na.
Pogo. You know Pogo?
Yes.
What is Pogo?
It's illegal. No, you go to prison.
Hmm?
You go to prison.
Why?
It's not legal. It's illegal.
Really?
Yeah.
Since when?
Recently.
Oh, really? Pogo?
Yes.
What? Pogo. Yeah, here, Pogo.
Ah!
Yeah, here. Pogo. What is it in English name? Quilleg. Yeah, Quilleg. Yeah, Quilleg. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm looking here. Space, yeah. Yeah, it's Quilleg. But actually, I'm originally from North. Hmm?
No.
North.
North what?
In North Purview.
Ah.
I live in North Purview now. And then Makati now. I'm Opa.
Oh, Opa.
Opa house in Makati. Yeah, I'm Opa house there in Makati.
Opa.
Yeah, I'm Opa house there. But actually in Seoul, I live in Seoul before. Seoul. You know Seoul?
Yes.
So, where's Seoul?
Korea.
Seoul!
So.
Sultan Kudarat! In Mindanao! Before, yeah, we lived there before. That's Mindanao, right? Mindanao, yeah. It's far from here.
Do you have TikTok po?
Hmm?
Do you have TikTok?
TikTok? What TikTok?
Social media?
Oh, you know,
No.
I'm shy. I don't like to,
Oh.
I'm shy. Shy type, yeah.
Shy.
I live in Sultan Kudarat. I live also in Qatar. You know Qatar?
Yeah.
Qatar. Where is Qatar?
Where?
Where is Qatar?
Where is Qatar?
You know
guys?
Qatar?
In Middle East.
No, Qatar Taduhan. That's Only at so,
Hi.
you know, the Filipino are so very funny here. Yeah, patorota. Yeah, here's the right here.
Yes.
회전입니다.
Yeah, 오른쪽, 오른쪽. Do you know the place? You know where? Oh, first time go there? First time?
Second time.
Second time. I think.
좌회전입니다.
Here. I think here. Right?
Yes. Simula Legarda?
And pag galing akong school, doon ako galing talaga rin.
Oh yeah. 반갑습니다. I'm happy talking to you. Happy. Yeah, 반갑습니다. Where? Here?
Here.
Okay. Yeah, what is 감사합니다?
Thank you.
목적지에 도착했습니다.
Uy, dito na lang kayo, no?
Kuya, may TikTok ka talaga?
Ha?
May TikTok ka ba?
Bakit? May napanood ka na ba naman?
Ay, may camera! Oo, sabi ko sa inyo eh.
Together lang yung
So, sino na prank? pero may napanood na kayo na driver na nagko-Korean prank. So ako po 'yun, no? So ako po ay isang content creator. So ang tanong, okay lang ba isama ko kayo sa aking content? Okay lang ba? Okay, so ayan, baka may shout out kayo.
FPU!
Yan. Ayun, halong school kayo, no? If EU, NU,
LPU po talaga to.
LPU, okay. Halong school. So nakakas kayo. So bibigyan ko kayo ng free ride. Yes, kasi nagko-content na po. Kamsahamnida. Ayan. Yay. So abangan niyo lang yung vlogs ko, no? So ang YouTube channel ko, Facebook ko ay nag-iisa na lang yung sticker ko, no? Picturean nyo na lang. No? Meron akong Facebook, YouTube, at saka TikTok.
Okay.
Ayan, thank you It's a prank. Bye-bye.
Ingat po kayo.
Ang saya nyo kausap eh.
Thank you po.
Thank you po. Ingat po.
Bye-bye
Bye po.
So, ayan. Kamsahamnida. And of course, Don Bertos TV, the Korean prankster and the great pretender. Let's go, yeah.
Nagpapanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Annyeonghaseyo, pasahero'y gulat na gulat seryoso pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang no wonder. Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Free rides para sa mga estudyante. Driver na komedyante, lang katulad sa klase. Pag si kuya si ate, nahuhuli minsan. Pero di kulong tawa pa rin, kaya magaan. Nagpapanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Annyeonghaseyo, pasahero'y gulat na gulat seryoso pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang no wonder. Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Don Vertos, ikaw ang bida. Good vibes palagi, kamsahamnida. Sa traffic, di ka na mainip. Don Vertos TV, tawa ang hatid. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang no wonder. Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Don Vertos, ikaw ang bida. Good vibes palagi kang sa hamita. Sa traffic, di ka na mainip. Don Vertos TV, tawa ang hatid.